Chicken's Neck, this tiny strip of land that is the artery that keeps the entire northeast connected to the mainland. At its narrowest, the Siliguri corridor is barely 20 kilometers wide. One tiny disruption here, and India's connection to the 8 northeastern states comes under direct threat. And that is why, within a week of forming a government in West Bengal, the Chicken's Neck has handed over strategic land and infrastructure control to the center. For decades, under the TMC and CPIM governments, this corridor was treated like an ordinary administrative territory. It is high time we treat it for what it actually is, one of India's most strategic and sensitive assets.
कुछ लोगों ने दिल्ली में नारे लगाए कि चिकन नेट को हम काट देंगे। क्यों भाई? कैसे काटोगे? ये कोई पिताजी का भूमि है क्या? ये भारत का भूमि है, कोई इसको हाथ नहीं लगा पाएगा। दिल्ली की पुलिस ने उनको जेल की सलाखों के पीछे डाल दिया। इंडी अलायंस वाले उनको छुड़वाने के पीछे पड़े। सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक उनके सांसद इनकी पैरवी करने के लिए गए, मगर अंत में तो सत्य का विजय होता है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी उनकी जमानत को खारिज कर दिया।
Let's think about the geography. On one side lies Bangladesh, above sits the China-Bhutan tri-junction, and directly nearby is the vulnerable Chumbi Valley region, a worrisome area for military planners. For it is no ordinary highway, but a potential wartime choke point. For years, under the Mamata and left governments, incomplete fencing and operational gaps in this region allowed massive infiltration and smuggling avenues. With the handover of 120 acres of land from the Chicken's Neck to the central government for BSF infrastructure and border fencing, it has been ensured that the center now gets faster control over strategic highways, border infrastructure, troop mobility, rail upgrades, and military logistics. This reduces procedural delays or center versus state bottlenecks in a corridor that connects over 45 million people of the northeast to the Indian mainland. This rather strengthens border security as well as anti-infiltration along with trade connectivity. This move stands as a clear message that India is prioritizing national integration above all. For a secure northeast and a strategic military posture against China, the Chicken's Neck cannot be trapped between center-state tussles. The biggest lesson of geopolitics is that geography decides destiny, and it is being ensured that India secures its destiny before a crisis forces the country to react, because in a corridor this critical, security delays do not just end as administrative issues but national security risks.